Since its establishment in 1969 as the Lyceum, the institution's history has been highlighted by its evolutionary expansion and growth, which has transformed it into Lyceum Northwestern and eventually into a Millennium University. Lyceum Northwestern University, multi-accredited, deregulated, and unquestionably the largest educational institution in Metro Dagupan. The establishment of a medical school in Dagupan City was one of the ultimate dreams of the late Dr. Francisco Q. Duque, who served as the Philippine Medical Association President, Department of Health Secretary, and as the Provincial Governor of Pangasinan. Became the 4th Dean of the LNFQD College of Medicine. Dr. Rodriguez served the institution for nearly 26 years. He retired on July 31, 2015 and was replaced by Dr. Alan A. Manzano as the 5th Dean of the College of Medicine in August 2015. Her leadership continues to maintain the high standard of instruction and sustain the excellent academic atmosphere in the college set by her predecessors for the development of the future qualified medical practitioners. With the advent of the major paradigm shift in the education industry, where higher education institutions like LNU, primarily its College of Medicine, is faced with the challenges of changing markets, industry standards, and customer expectations, the start of school year 2015-2016 sees the return of Dr. Francisco T. Duque III as its new university president, to continue the ideals and objectives of the founders and past presidents and to redefine the roadmap of the Lyceum Northwestern University. For the next 42 years of the College of Medicine, it physically metamorphosed into a modernized and expanding college. To look better, to be more equipped, and to be the only College of Medicine in Metro Dagupan, seemingly were the guiding impetus behind the current campus milieu of the college. Capability building and compliance to education standards underlie many of its infrastructures. Since year 2000, the institution slowly assimilated the efficiency and convenience of a network data management infrastructure. Quality is reflected in its quest for accreditation. The rigor of complying with industry standards is what paces LNU's College of Medicine, internal development and management, and most important of all, continuing improvement in quality of instruction. Over the years, linkages with key organizations and agencies have been established, thereby opening opportunities to research grants and partnership undertakings. As a college that serves as a local partner of industry and agencies in the field of research that seeks to further the acquisition of new knowledge, over the years, linkages with key organizations and agencies have been established, thereby opening opportunities to research grants and partnership undertakings. As a medical program provider, corporate social responsibility and advocacy programs are integrated in the extension services of the college. The college has expanded its role to the community as a benefactor of adopted communities and barangays, and as a conduit to various cooperative initiatives to bring medical relief to those in need. As they say, it is fun at Lyceum Northwestern University, College of Medicine. Witness the people, witness the festivities, and witness what it's like to have fun at Lyceum Northwestern University. Relatively as the new president, Dr. Francisco T. Duque III, a paragon of success, it comes as no surprise that his vision, coupled with his vast experience, will help LNU soar to even greater heights. He has certainly hit the ground running with his implementation of Vision 2020 development plan to make LNU an internationally recognized university as a model of excellence in integrated instruction, research, and community engagement. Barely a couple of years in the presidency, the university has already accomplished some of its plans and goals, such as the recent accreditation of the programs in nursing, dentistry, pharmacy, and hotel and restaurant management by the Philippine Association of Colleges and Universities Commission on Accreditation, and the latest Level 2 re-accreditation of Philippine Association Accreditation of Schools, Colleges, and Universities in the programs of Business Administration, Elementary and Secondary Education, Biology, Psychology, Communications, and Political Science, with preliminary visit for Level 1 for the Medical Laboratory Science program. All these making a total of 14 accredited programs. Dr. Francisco T. Duque University's research culture. A 2.8 million budget allocation was approved by the Board of Trustees for implementation. Also, a memorandum of agreement with St. Paul University of Cagayan was signed to further the university's Master of Arts in Nursing by offering Doctor of Philosophy in Nursing Science, Master of Science in Nursing, and Master of Arts in Global Healthcare. As his administration re-emphasized, all of these indicators are crucial in the attainment of the Vision 2020. And corollary to this, Dr. Duque has introduced the use of the Balance Scorecard technology to easily align the university's activities to its new vision. With the crafting of the university's BSc, a transformation roadmap was formulated, with 7 strategic objectives that have to be met to realize LNU's vision. First is to develop partnerships with international and local institutions. Next is ensuring the judicious use of financial and capital resources. Third will be the enhancement of the human resources competencies. Fourth objective is to provide excellent support services for its employees and students. Fifth is to establish credible and sustained strong research culture. Sixth would be to significantly improve the graduates' performance in the licensure board examinations. Last is the attainment of the university's autonomous status. Once these are met, President Duque is confident that LNU will accomplish its Vision 2020. Truly, with just a couple of years in service and with all of these accomplishments laid out, and the challenge at hand for the College of Medicine to be accredited, Dr. Francisco T. Duque III has built a strong foundation into reaching his goals for the university in the year 2020. It will be a long and arduous journey, but as long as the university, as a harmonious working community of students and employees, drives itself to the right direction, the unfolding of the university's Vision 2020 is not far from being realized. Lyceum Northwestern University, Dr. Francisco Q. Duque Medical Foundation. Through the years and into the future.